Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is j.ezra, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use your talkbox through MIDI over your computer. So I've seen a lot of comments where people are asking how to set up their talkbox through their DAW, and this is what that video is going to go over. But before we start, if you ended up watching the whole video and learned something or you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and then also leaving a like so you don't miss any videos in the future. Alright, so there are a few things you're going to need first. One of those things that you're going to need is a audio interface. I have a Focusrite 2i2. One of the other things you're going to need is a MIDI controller, just like this one. Alright, this one is an Akai MPK Mini. And you're also going to need a computer. So I have a 2017 MacBook Pro, and you're also going to need a DAW. So I wanted to make this easy enough so if I have any beginners on here who want to know how to do this, they can easily access this stuff. So I'm actually going to use this example with a free version of FL Studio. And then the last thing you're going to need is your talkbox. And the talkbox I'm using is the MXR222 talkbox. So this is the one we're going to use in the video. Alright, with all that aside, let's get started. So we're going to start with setting everything up. Alright, so to set this up, one of the first things we want to start with is the talkbox. So we're going to add power to our talkbox. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the power. Now I'm using a 1/4-inch cable, and that'll go into the input on the back of the talkbox. And then the other end will go into the headphone jack in the audio interface. Now that you have that set up, we want to make sure our MIDI is connected to our computer. So mine is connected through a USB cable. Now that everything is set up, we want to go ahead and open up FL Studio. And here we want to open up a synthesizer called Mini Synth. Now that this is open, let's turn our talkbox on and let's see if we can get some sound out of it. Alright, so we got some sound, but there's still a few things we gotta tweak on here. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that this is on saw. The next thing is we want to change this to mono, and then the slide time, we should put it somewhere right there would work. So now let's try it out. Awesome, so that works perfectly fine. And I was basically forced to do this because I bought a DX100, and that is the same model that Roger Troutman used, but unfortunately it came broken, so I had to return it. And I wanted to practice somehow, so this is the way I've been practicing for a couple days, and I found this way to work out really well, especially if you're just practicing or you're waiting to buy a new synthesizer. This is a good alternative for the meantime. But yeah, anyways, this is how you set it up. So if you guys have any questions on any of this setup, please let me know down in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, so I hope that helped you. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I can always use the support, and I will catch you all in the next video. Be kind, be happy, and peace out.